delighted now to introduce Dominik. He is the head of supply chain globally, and also Oliver. He's actually the co-founder of KINEXON, is also responsible for the overall partnership and takes also up the area of the industry. And I think, Jennifer, you have some questions for them?
Yes, absolutely. It's a pleasure to have you guys here with us today. Thank you for joining us. Now, Dominik, Oliver, tell us about the modular manufacturing showcase we have behind us here today.
Yeah, let me start maybe by introducing what is modular manufacturing. So first of all, it is a concept that brings the maximum possible flexibility to the shop floor. So the idea is, rather than having a very fixed production line, which, as we all know, isn't very flexible in how you can slot in and slot out products, how you can do rework, how you can have variants, that you have autonomous production cells that optimize themselves with dynamic routing. So where do I route my product to next? What production step has to happen next? And the reason why we chose this is to really show how far we can take robotics automation in factories, how we bring manufacturing excellence to the next level. But of course, we do this in partnership because a lot of the hardware that we see behind us is actually orchestrated by our partner KINEXON. From SAP, we own the process. We run the WMS, the warehouse management, the MES, the manufacturing execution, the ERP. But of course, there's so much more that moves in a factory and that needs to be orchestrated. And that's where KINEXON really excels and why we have this important endorsed partnership. So Olli, tell us more.
Happy to do so. So as Dominik said, flexible material flow and flexible routing is a key for the modular production. And KINEXON at the beginning realized that vendors nowadays provide only management systems that are tied to their individual vehicle. Factory operators, however, prefer to have different vendors and want to have one overarching orchestration system. And that is what KINEXON provides, giving operators of factories and warehouses a very flexible way of connecting vehicles from different vendors and navigating them with the highest flexibility, efficiency, and sustainability. And of course, we generate tremendous amount of data, especially about the processes and the quality of the processes, which are then integrated in surrounding solutions, in particular EWM and other SAP offerings.
So tell us about the impact of generative AI in the showcase here today, but then also in SAP's software ecosystem.
Yeah, talking about the robots on the shop floor, we see that a lot of the problems that we face in the manufacturing and logistics world are physical, tangible problems. So we need to build bridges from the Gen AI solutions that we know today to the shop floor. And what KINEXON does in that showcase here is that the process information that comes from all the different vehicles is directly integrated into the large language models and Gen AI offerings, especially of our partner SAP. And once recommendations for process improvement, for process automation are made, we have an AI execution layer that within fractions of a second translates these recommendations into real tangible improvements and a strong ROI on the shop floor. But Dominik, tell us more. What's behind all those Gen AI solutions that SAP is offering?
Supply chain is probably one of the hottest domains where we can really automate, where we can bring the full power of artificial intelligence to life. We work broadly in 3 domains. We work in optimization, we work in machine learning, and of course, generative AI. Now, specifically in Gen AI, we've built a Gen AI hub, which allows partners like KINEXON to tap into any large language model, but it also allows our own SAP products and solutions. You mentioned manufacturing, you mentioned logistics and warehouse management, to run capabilities with large language models through a number of services and interfaces where we can route queries basically into any large language model and find the best fit for our customers. So with that, I'm super, super excited that we have here one of our first partner cases to bring that to life for our customers.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.